It sounds like you might be experiencing symptoms of asthma. Asthma is a chronic condition where the airways become inflamed and narrowed, making it hard to breathe. Common symptoms include difficulty breathing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and a tight chest. If you think you might have asthma or if your symptoms are worsening, it's important to see a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. They might prescribe inhalers or other medications to help manage your symptoms and improve your breathing. In the meantime, try to avoid known triggers, such as allergens or irritants, and follow any management plan your doctor provides.